Here's my grandfather's little office thing. And some of the cool stuff they got. It's like an old antique. There's me, graduation. Like I said before, here's a police officer. And this is what I remember when I was really young. When I come in, this is what I remember him looking like. Oh, and the pictures here tell just pretty much the same story as the other place too. My Uncle Mike, Aunt Tina, my Uncle Jack and his wife Gwen, cousin Dustin. I think that's Doug. Not Doug, but other Jack. I don't know Doug. I don't know. I should know. There's Kevin, Andy, cousin Dustin, and me. About 9th grade. Kylie. I think. Just, you know, the pictures. There's what I look like. Probably about 15, 16. There's Andy again. There's Kevin. This is, you know, like I said, there's always them one or two things you see that you always see that you like, hey, there it is. My grandfather when he first joined up. Here's another cool thing about this place. Like I said, it had changed. Same shower curtain stuff. And another thing is, thing we used to play with a lot when we were kids. The red light. Wow. It's actually a heater for it helps heat up the bathroom. It's just such a small bathroom. It works very well. That's just one thing I had to show you. Dee Dee and Randy.
As long as I can.
I think that's Dale. Jack. Kylie. Another thing that it's always here. Candy dish. Always rob that one.